I'm here with Mr. Matt and the owner of Boston Quality Cleaning Services. And Mr. Matt would like to say a lot of good things about Boston Quality Cleaning Services. And also he would like to introduce his hairstyling institute.
Yeah, I'm the owner, co-owner. My partner's outside the video here, but
He's right there.
We're standing outside of our school. It's a hair academy. We're located in historic downtown Lowell. And I met Gene here. I came searching online. I've been through many companies. I went through quite a few, to be honest with you, before I found Gene and really located a company and a person that I felt very comfortable with. You know, Gene's been doing this for a long time with us, and of course in his own business. He's done a great job for us, provided a great service. We've heard nothing but positive feedback from him, from the instructors, from ourselves, from the students. So it's been great. It's definitely it's a service that I'd recommend to anybody who needs any cleaning, whether it be residential or commercial. What else to say?
Okay, so where is your hairstyling institute located here in Lowell?
We're on 136 Central Street. We're located.
Okay.
Downtown Lowell.
And so if they want to test to the quality of the services, okay,
Absolutely.
just come over here.
Right. See, at the school, it's very important to us to keep clean, keep things very clean, organized, professional, and sanitary. Especially being that we're overseen by lots of agencies that demand that from us. So to have a company like Boston Quality Cleaning come in, and Gene in particular, made us feel very secure and very comfortable about our situation. And like I said, we went through quite a few before we settled here with Gene and with his company. You know, we're very pleased that we did that. Very happy with that decision. As is everybody else. And the thing was, he comes in and does his job, doesn't disrupt anybody, doesn't disturb anything or anybody. So when people started noticing the change in the appearance and the cleanliness, they would come to us, my partner as well, and say, you know, who are these imaginary cleaners? Who are the ghost cleaners? It's exactly
the ghost cleaners.
The ghost cleaners, which is great because it was a great compliment to us, really, and we're thankful to Gene because they said it was very noticeable, the changes in the school. What I didn't notice was any increase in our price. You know, the quality came up, the price didn't. So I mean, he worked with us. You know, we needed specialty services, to say the least, given the situation and the amount of space that we needed to clean and things we needed done. And not only did he work with that specifically, but the price was more than fair. Right the range we needed to. He's been great. Can't say enough positive things.
It's amazing. The price, the quality, the attention to detail, the quality of the cleaning supplies also, right?
So that's the other thing, is there were services that since we've had Gene in here, services that we never expected. Changing of our paper towels, the quality of the soap, paper towel dispensers, things that we never expected, and we really didn't agree to. They were just above and beyond what we needed and what we asked for. So that's who doesn't like to get something for nothing?
Exactly.
You know? Thank you very much.
Thanks so much, man. Appreciate it.